What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently July 31st. We took two trades today. This first trade was a losing trade, and then the second trade we hit TP1, and then we got stopped at a break even. We are down 125 on the day between 6 accounts, so 125 times 6. Let's see how much that is total. We're down $750 total. Very unfortunate. This first trade we got stopped at in literally 2 candles. And then the second trade, we hit TP1 in 1 candle, and then we got stopped at a break even, and then eventually ran to full TP. I think I went break even too fast in this trade, but honestly, I don't know. Today was very weird. This first trade I feel like should have played out, but it did not, and it made me really upset because the setup was nice. We had a SMC at these lows. Out of a higher time frame fair value gap, we were inside this 30-minute fair value gap. Coming into market open, we just sold off. When I was doing my pre-market analysis, I did want to see shorts, but we literally took all my draws on liquidity in literally a couple candles before even market open. You can see market opened right here, and we just dumped in 2 candles, took all my draws out. I wanted to see this new week opening gap get filled, and we did that in 2 candles. So I wanted to play the reversal. So we had SMC at these lows out of this 30-minute fair value gap. We had inversions, CISDs, market structure shifts. We had every confluence there. We had a market structure shift above these highs. Then we had a 5-minute market structure shift above these highs here. Or right here, you could say. We got a close above here. So I just wanted to see us rebalance this entire range to equilibrium. You guys can see equilibrium is right where my blue line is. That's where it is, and I wanted to see that get tapped into before we moved lower. Yes, I was bearish on the day, but I wanted to see higher before I saw lower, and we got smoked. We rebalanced this 3-minute fair value gap. After we rebalanced this 3-minute fair value gap here, just looking for an entry model. We got a 1-minute inversion here. After we got that 1-minute inversion, I entered and stopped out in literally 2 candles. And I expected these highs to at least get taken, and then equilibrium, and then potentially this 15-minute fair value gap to get tapped into all the way up here, also aligned with a breaker. So that did not happen though. We just got stopped out, and then after that, I definitely wanted to see sell side because there was just no more buying pressure after this. We did rebalance it into this 15-minute fair value gap here. Oh wait, we never actually tapped into that 15-minute. Maybe on ES we did. Yeah, ES we came up, tapped into this 15-minute here. Was there an SMC here that I did not say? A 5-minute between these highs. No, there isn't any SMC here. Maybe here there might be one. No, I don't see any SMCs. But after that, I wanted to see sell side because we got this major candle down. We inversed this 1-minute fair value gap here. I know my charts is very messed up. There's a lot of stuff on my charts right now. It's probably hard for you guys to see. But we inversed this 1 minute here. We came back up, rebounced this fair value gap, and we were struggling to inverse it. We did inverse it here. Oh wait, no we didn't. We did not inverse it, but we were just struggling to push through this 1 minute. So all I wanted to see was one more break lower. We also had a 5-minute here that I expected to get inversed because we were holding it, and then I don't know. I just had strong selling confluences here because we did not push higher off of this, and we were just respecting everything and just creating like a trend line almost down right here. Like we were just going down. It's just obvious selling right here. So all I wanted to see was one more break lower. We got a beautiful candle break lower right here. I entered shorts. TP1 was these lows here. As soon as we hit TP1, I went break even. My stop loss was originally here, 20 points. And then I should have just held it here until we ran to full TP. But this would have been a beautiful trade if we did not get stopped at a break even. But we hit TP1, made about $50 on this trade, and stopped at a break even. This first trade we lost about 180 something, so we ended the day still down, but down 125. This week has just been overall very rough for me. I cannot catch a break, honestly. I just can't catch a win. I feel like these markets are very shitty. Like we literally just dumped off market open, took all my original draws off, and then as you guys could see yesterday, FOMC, we dumped 200 points, and then overnight we just been pumping. Like it's just been hard to trade. Like honestly, like I don't know anybody that's doing well in these markets this week, but that's gonna be it for this trade recap. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Use code ZAC for 80% off all accounts with Apex. Also, my my payout got denied. My last payout literally got denied, which is so annoying because the reason I got denied is so I was above the minimum balance, 2,600, when I requested, and after I requested, I traded on it again and went below 2,600, the minimum. I thought I could trade on it. I didn't realize that was a rule, but because I went below the profit target, they denied my payout. So it's so dumb because in order to be able to request the payout, you need to be above the minimum balance, right? So I requested. I should have just not traded that account and just traded my other 5 accounts. But I was copy trading all of them together, and I went below 2,600, and they denied my payout while it was under review. So dumb, such a dumb denial. I'm missing out on like $700 right there. But our accounts aren't looking too bad still. We're still up on every account pretty much besides the 2 new ones. They're down 250. We're down about 250 on the week total right now. So been a pretty rough week, but it's all good. We're just trying to manage our losses and keep everything to a minimum. 250 is not bad at all. That's like one good trade, you know. So we could definitely make that back tomorrow even. But I don't even know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I know I say that a lot, and I do end up looking for trades, but I don't know. We just have to stay more patient tomorrow and really look for a very good setup. But damn, this trade is running. If we held this, the market's just extremely volatile and it's just moving. I don't even know. This shit is hella hard to trade right now. But that's going to be it for this trade recap. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and join the community down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow if I do end up taking a trade. And peace out.